Hey everyone, today I will show you how to copy Instagram comments through Instagram app. And here's how it is done. 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app and navigate to the post containing the comment you want to copy. 2. Find the comment. Click on View All Comments to see all the comments on the post. 3. Take a screenshot. Since Instagram doesn't allow direct copying of comments, take a screenshot of the comments section that includes the text you want to copy. 4. Extract the text. On iPhone, open your Photos app and find the screenshot. Long press the comment text in the image. Your iPhone will detect the text, allowing you to select and copy it. On Android, open the screenshot in your Gallery or Photos app. Tap the lens icon, Google Lens. Use the text selection tool to highlight the desired comment and tap Copy. 5. Use the copied text. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere, such as in a message, note, or transition app. And that is everything you need to know about how to copy Instagram comments through Instagram app. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.